Hi guys, join me as we're making our delicious Afang soup. Making this Afang soup is the most easiest soup to make, trust me. Yes, this ingredients, the spices, everything I'm using to make this soup. I did not put beef, alright? With low budget, you can do this. You must not follow people that have plenty money to do their own. You have seen my cow skin being Kpomo. You have seen my banga fish. You have seen my stockfish. Do well to spice it very well with your salt and season cube, and add your water leaf. Why we are adding this water leaf now is because this water leaf is going to produce water we are going to use to cook this cow skin and my fish and my stockfish head. Yes, after 15 minutes, open it like this. You have seen the water leaf produce its own water. I did not add single water inside this pot. This water was produced by the water leaf. When you find out that the water leaf has produced its own water, and you find out that your stocks, your beef, whatever, is ready, you can do well to add your season cube, add your pepper, add your salt. But in case if you're using beef, cook your beef first with your stockfish and other things. Then once it's getting ready, you can add this water leaf. In case also, if you don't want to add this water leaf, do well to cook your water leaf to dry the water before putting it in your soup. Alright, now we put our again okazi and crayfish grounded together. The soup is getting ready, it's getting sharp, as you can see. Let me know what you think on comment section after watching this, and do well to drop your like. Alright, do well also to share with your community. We do well now to add our red oil, because red oil is one of the most important ingredients you need in making this particular recipe. Without red oil, your soup will never come out well. Yes, we do well to stir proper. Alright, give a nice mix. Child, see, after eating this food, you want to be eating it every day. When you put this, do well also to adjust your spices. Now, what I added is another grounded crayfish. Alright, very, very important. As I add it, I cook for minimum of 3 to 4 minutes. Now open, I put my words in some If you can do well to use the one that is not removed from the shell, the one you cut, and make the soup. But why I don't want to use the one they cut, I don't want this soup to be choked with some. Well, let me know what you think on comment section, and also drop your location so that I will bring your own for you. I hope you find this video helpful. Give me a thumb like, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Serve hot with any swallow of your choice. Eba, fufu, or semo.